Come on, Olivia. Oh! You all done? You all done? Okay.
Oh.
You want me?
Oh. Oh.
You go, Jaja.
Audrey?
You record that for me.
Yes, I've recorded it. Good job.
Can I see the
You
picture
said
of it?
Audrey again?
Can I see it? Can I see it? Second? Can I see it?
What is this noise you taught Olivia?
She's always teaching her new noises.
You guys are some silly girls.
Look at it.
Oh, strong.
Mama, can I see the movie?
Are you done? Can you take a break from your growling? She's always listening, right?
Audrey, what are you doing? What are you doing? What's in your mouth? Your tongue?
Okay, none of that. She did that the other night. And